Okay, now that you've seen how a user input block works, how about we see what a phone input block looks like? So we've already created a new sequence where we have added the phone input block, and over here you can change the text which the users are going to see or the customers are going to see once they ask for once you ask for their phone number. You can also customize the fail text over here, and also you can attach the fail sequence. We've already done that. We've also put in the variable phone where the phone number of the customer will be saved. For this sequence, we've also attached a keyword, which is phone. So how about we see a demo of this and how it works? So if we click on get started, this is going to start the conversation, right? So as we've shown, we've already used a trigger for this, which is phone. So if we click on phone right now, or if we type in phone right now, this sequence will be triggered. So if we go back, what is your phone number? So over here, you can give different types of phone numbers according to your country, or the customer can give their phone number according to the country. However, let's show you what happens if we give the wrong information, right? So let's say my phone number is 20. As you see, it's going to trigger the fail text. Again, we put in something like 50. And again, it's going to ask. So it will continuously ask according to the error count. So this should trigger the default sequence after I give the wrong phone number now. So let's say if I give 100, right? So now if you can see, after the two error counts, it has sent the sequence to the default sequence. It has redirected the customer over there. So if we go to the default sequence, as you can see, there's a text block over here and a ticket block. So the customer will now be redirected with a manual agent who is going to handle the customer's query. So as you can see, the ticket has come over here, and with the history of the conversation, the agents can understand how to navigate or to how to converse with the customer. So now if I type in hello, can you please give us your phone number? An example would be, let's say, 1-800 566, whoops, 566 566 or 666. So this message is going to go to the customer's end, and the agent can converse with the customer. Sure, I can give it like that. And this is how the customer can respond as well. And the conversation is going to continue over here. So as you see, let me go back to the sequence. As you can see, once there's a failed text, it's going to redirect the customer over there. Similar to the phone input, we also have email input. We have also the story block. You have user ratings as well. We won't go over the email block or the story block right now, but I'm going to show you how user rating works. So user rating basically asks a customer to rate the performance of the agents. Usually we keep it for that. So after a ticket is resolved, as you can see, there's a ticket over here. Once it's resolved, we usually collect information to see how the agent has performed. So let's say, how has the agent performed? And how about we move this to a different, let's say, sequence. So let's save it over here, agent performance, and we move this there, right? So, oops, let's move it to agent performance, right? And we save it. And in the default sequence, let's go over here and we select agent performance as the resolved sequence. And let's go back to the conversation. Okay, we are done. And now, if we resolve this, the agent performance sequence is going to be sent to the customer. And let's see over here. As you can see, the user ratings block has been triggered. And from here, if the customer chooses to select any of this rating, it's going to come up in the reporting section, and you can see the performance of your agent. Thank you for watching. Please go over our documentations to understand the functionalities, and I hope this video helps.